Platinum just had its biggest one-week decline since November of 2021. We've got silver prices, they're breaking back below $23 per ounce. Gold prices, they broke back below $1,915 per ounce. So as you know, we've been selling short all of these markets over the month of September to capitalize on the typical risk-off capital flows that you get over this month. So in fact, today we've taken opportunity on Platinum with our clients to bank 800 points on the sell short. We've also locked in 300 points on the sell short on gold. And of course with silver, we've locked in 100 points profit on the sell side as well. This comes back to the point that Goldman Sachs have made. It is the golden age of trading. It is not buy and hold markets. What you want to do is buy low, sell high, and rinse and repeat this cycle throughout the year. This is how you're going to crush it trading commodities. You can make just as much money on the sell side, in fact often much faster, because the price action tends to be take the staircase higher and the elevator down. So oftentimes if you can get the right point in the cycle to sell it, you can make money even faster on the sell side, and then of course buy back at the swing lows again, which is what we're looking to do over the course of September to then capitalize on Q4 as well. Nobody likes buying the precious metals more than us, but you have to understand the right time of the cycle when it is good to be selling short and capitalize as well on the sell side. So as you would imagine with our clients so far this week, we've in fact banked 1,000 points profit on our sell shorts here with the precious metals, very simply by capitalizing on the typical risk-off outflow that you get this month. So you know the calculation, but just in case you don't, for every one lot contract you'll be trading here, for 1,000 points profit, you're going to be making $10,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract you'll be trading for 1,000 point sell-off, you're going to be making $100,000 of profit. This has been textbook opportunity to capitalize on over the month of September. And as it relates to oil as well, you'll know if you follow our newsletters, if you follow our reports here, that we've now seen oil prices, they're broken out to the highest levels in 2023 off the back of number one, the BRICS summit, where we had the inclusion of Iran, Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates into BRICS, which is going to start from January of 2024. This was further compounded last week by Saudi Arabia output cuts, where we've seen further inflows into oil here, breaking out to the highest levels of 2023, hitting $90 per barrel, as we telegraphed to you in the previous reports as well. Now, we have seen that hedge funds and money managers, they've all bought the top here for oil. So currently, 89% of hedge funds and money managers, they've flipped net long on oil in the last week here. This is ahead of CPI data on Wednesday, Thursday's European Central Bank, and Friday's Cord Witching, and next week's FOMC statement, and also the Bank of England interest rate decision as well. Typically, these events, as you know, with the dollar, they typically do accelerate the dollar higher, and this can put pressure on multiple commodities. As such, we have been selling short gold, silver, platinum to capitalize, and we have capitalized massively off the back of this, and I hope you have too. The other trade setup that we put on your radar at the start of the week was Palladium, and that trade in fact has already broken out 200 points in our favor since Monday. So we talked to you through the opportunity on Palladium. In fact, all year, every time Palladium drops to $1,200 per ounce or lower, it's been a fantastic buy opportunity. So I do hope that you've capitalized on that as well, alongside all of the sell short pressure that we've had over the course of September to benefit from the cascading sell off here on the metals. Again, with platinum, it's sold off now 9 days in a row, and we've seen the biggest decline since November of 2021. This has delivered us 800 points in September so far. Massive opportunity that I do hope that you also crushed it with as well. And again, this just comes back to the point. It is the golden age of trading as opposed to the golden age of investing. If you're not making money at the moment with commodities, you absolutely should be. And this comes back down to utilizing a professional research-driven approach, utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Further compound that with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and of course, you want to be aware of the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, the narratives in the market, learn and understand the ratios, the intermarket correlations, and then finally, further compound that with how the hedge funds, money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. That is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.